Hello students, welcome to Saurav's classes. Today our topic is competitive reasoning, and here a passage is given, and on the basis of this passage we have to solve some questions. So now at first let's read the passage very carefully. 6 friends A, B, C, D, E and F work in different companies, namely Pentasoft, Quark, Raymond's, Summit, Trump, Gates and UTP, and each wear company sponsored different colored t-shirts: blue, green, pink, yellow, purple and red, though not necessarily in the same order. So it's not necessary that these 6 friends who are working in these 6 companies will wear these colored t-shirts in the same order. Now here again some informations are given. So the one wearing the blue shirt work in Summit, and one wearing a green shirt works in Pentasoft. So it's given that the person who is wearing the blue shirt is working in Summit, and the person who is working in who is wearing the green shirt is working in Pentasoft. Now if does not work in Raymond or Trump and Gates. So it said that if doesn't work in Raymond's or Trump and Gates. Now A wears pink shirt and works in Quark. So it's given that A wears pink shirt and works in Quark. Now D does not work in Trump. And Gates and purple colored t-shirts are not sponsored by Raymond's. Again it's given that E works in U2P and neither D or B works in Summit. Trump and Gates does not sponsor purple or yellow colored shirts, and C works in Pentasoft. So now on the basis of this information, let's make a chart of the friends and their colored shirts and the companies they are working in. So now let's make a chart here. Now in one side I'm taking the friend. Now color of the t-shirts, and then here let's take the companies. Now we will make this chart. It was given that A works in Quark and wears a pink colored t-shirt. Now from the passage we can say that B wears a red shirt and works in Trump and Gates. Now C wears a green shirt and works in Pentasoft. Now D wears a yellow shirt and works in Raymond's. E wears a purple shirt and works in U2P. Now the last one, A, wears a blue shirt and works in cement. So this is the chart we prepared on the basis of the passage and the informations given in the passage. Now let's go to the questions. Here our first question is, which color shirts are sponsored by Raymond's? So we have to find the color of the shirts that are sponsored by Raymond's. Now let's go back to the chart, and here is Raymond's and it sponsors yellow colored shirts. So the answer must be yellow, that is option 1. So option 1 is the correct answer. Now let's go to our next question. Okay, the question is, which pair is correctly matched? And here 5 options are given. Red, Raymond's A. Red, Trump and Gates B. Green, Raymond's C. Cannot be determined, and yellow U2P D. So it's very clear that these pairs are created on the basis of the color of the shirts, then the company name and the person's name. So let's go to the chart. Now here, red, Trump and Gates, red, Trump and Gates and B is the correct pair. So here option 2, that is red, Trump and Gates and B is the correct answer. So option 2 is the answer. Now our next question is, which of the following is true? Now here 5 options are again given and we have to choose the right one. So the options are U2B sponsors green shirt, D is working in Trump and Gates, E wears red shirt. Red shirts are sponsored by Trump and Gates. None of the above. Now, just as the past question, red shirts are sponsored by Trump and Gates, and B works here. So red shirts are sponsored by Trump and Gates is the correct answer. So option 4 is the correct answer. Now our next question is, what is the sequence of companies representing A, B, C, D, E and F? So we have to find the name of the companies where A, B, C, D, E and F are working respectively. So here 5 options are again given. So from the chart we can see that the companies are Quark, Trump and Gates, Paintersoft, Raymond's, U2P and Summit. So here the sequence of the companies representing A, B, C, D, E and F is option 2, that is Quark, Trump and Gates, Paintersoft, Raymond's, U2P and Summit. So option 2 is the correct answer. Now here is the next question. The question is, if Raymond's and Summit decide to interchange the color of the sponsored shirts, then which 2 persons have to interchange their shirts? So here it said that if Raymond's and Summit decide to interchange the color of their sponsored shirts, then which 2 persons have to interchange their shirts. So we have to find at first that which two persons are working in Raymond's and Summit respectively. So from the chart we can say that D and F are working in Raymond and Summit respectively. So option 1, that is D and F, is the correct answer. So D and F had changed their interchanged their shirts.